What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video today. I don't know if you remember the last video I just posted, but the transmission took a dookie on the Green Machine. So I'm going to pull the car out, reverse it in, and I'm going to start taking it apart and pull the transmission out because I have a spare transmission off the black car. If you guys remember my black car, it is right back here somewhere. Can you see? It's right there. Oh, the spare trans right there. So get that. So put it on, and the car could be back on the road again. And luckily, and check out what happened to the trans. Hopefully the clutch and the flywheel is okay, because if not, I'll be pretty sad. But yeah, so first of all, the garage is an absolute mess right now, so I'm gonna clean it up real quick, and we'll get this started. So see you guys. Guys, now I got the car in the garage. I'm gonna start loosening up the lug nuts, jack it up, obviously put on jack stands. You guys know that deal, whatever. And then I'm gonna start off with draining the trans oil, and then popping off the axles, and then the shift linkage and the clutch cable. And I think that should be good for now. Then we'll just see as it goes. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I got the car on jack stands now. I'm about to take off the wheels off completely and start draining the fluids, the transmission fluid, and start popping out the axles. So yeah. Alright guys, now that I got the axle nut off with the cotter pin and got the tranny fluid drained and everything, I'm gonna start pounding the passenger side axle out if I could just get it out of the spindle, and then pop the axle out, and then just go to the other side, do the same thing, and then disconnect the half shaft. So yeah, I'm gonna start on the best part, is the pounding on this bullshit, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, I got both axles out already. It was being kind of a pain in the ass, but I got it. Next, I'm gonna have to undo the shift linkage and the clutch cable. So I'm gonna undo the clutch cable right there on the trans. Undo the shift linkage or the cross member first, and let's see what else we gotta do from there. See when and support the engine obviously from the under it, and then yeah. Then get ready to drop the trans, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today since I'm by myself, and that's a two-man job right there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Alright guys, we're right here taking Memo's transmission apart because last time we took it out it sounded like it had a bunch of fucking marbles in it, so that's already a bad sign. The throttle bearing was going bad like he said, but I don't think that was the cause. Obviously that wasn't the cause of that marbly sounding. So we're gonna check the gears in it and see how bad it is. We'll get back to you guys when I have it taken apart.
Struggle for like half an hour.
Well, we got
we didn't know we had to take this off, but got the freaking little snap ring off.
What the fuck?
And now something. There you go. So
What the fuck?
we pulled the drain plug out and it was already metal on it. Right here, look.
There's
All kinds of metal already. So no bueno. Oh, hey, look right here. Second gear. Is that second gear? Oh, on both the input and the. That's second gear.
Jesus.
On the input and the on both the.
Oh my god! Look
Turn
at all
it?
this shit right here. No, oh my god, Alejandro.
Oh.
Damage. Look how thin these gears are, way. Look how thin they are. Whack ass Nissan, dude. Couldn't give us like, you know, a fucking.
But yeah, there's all
These
the
are
marbles.
thin, though.
There goes all the marbles that you heard.
Oh, look right here. This one too.
Yeah, the input and the.
That's what I'm saying. Both sides.
But there's only second gear. That's fucked.
Yeah.
First
You
gear
can save
good.
the set. Is this
Is
supposed to be loose? I don't know. Yeah, probably.
Shit,
Yeah,
who
it's not supposed to
knows?
be that tight.
This bearing's good.
Dude, if we went to the junkyard and pulled another tranny, we could trade it up. Just save this when it's turning. It doesn't look that bad.
Second gear, super fucked.
Hey, these come with LSDs. I wonder how they look. Like, this
That is here.
just I don't even.
What's the difference though?
Yeah, I can't really even honestly. Like, I'm not an expert in this type of shit, so I'm guessing that's an LSD.
Oh, let's flip it in. I wonder where's all the rest of the fucking metal.
For real.
They sound like
Oh, down there.
shitload of
It's
metal.
down there.
You see it all?
Yeah.
Yeah, but nothing else looks damaged except for those two. This gear?
Yeah. I think
This
that's
gear
all
and that
that's
one.
fucked. Let's go to
Pull
Home-
this out.
Get a whole stack from the junkyard.
Is that neutral right there? There, look. There, like, it'll be grabbing right there, fine.
Right there, Romley.
Yeah, right there, it'll be fine.
Damn, like you limped this shit home?
Yeah.
Hey, so no wonder it was making noise, because nonetheless, those gears are still spinning.
Yeah. Well, we figured out the mystery of those marbles.
What is up, you guys? It's the next couple of days from that last clip you guys saw of Lencho and Honda and everybody taking apart the transmission, which is right here. We finally got the other tranny on from the black car. Honda's tying up the bolts right now. Hard part's done. So we're just gonna tighten up everything and I can start popping in the axles and putting the shift linkage back together and the clutch cable, and we should be good to go. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. What is up, you guys? It is the next night, and I'll give you guys a little update. The trans is in. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't know if I told you guys last clip. And also we got the tranny mount slash motor mounts in. And then we go under here. We got the starter in. So next I'm gonna do is the shift linkage and do the axles and then the clutch cable, and I think that should do it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit when I have my next update. What is up, you guys? It is currently 11:51 p.m. Giving you guys a quick update. So far I have the shift linkage done. Let me get my light. I got the shift linkage done, as you can see. You can't really see, but that's in. I got the cross member in. All the motor mounts are in officially, so I think all I have left is my axles and the strut bolts and stuff. So yeah, here's my baggie clutch cable. So it looks like I'm almost done. So I think next I am gonna do the clutch cable and then the axles, or I might just save the axles for another day, honestly, because it's pretty late and I need to get to bed because I'm pretty tired because I worked today. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get the clutch cable done, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm here for another update. I got the clutch cable adjusted, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, actually. Comes up perfect, just how it was before, just how I liked it. So I think the only thing left is to put the axles in and put the strut bolts back in, or whatever you call these. And I think the car is done. Obviously put the battery back in and stuff, and double check all the nuts and bolts. Make sure I didn't leave anything loose, because you know, don't want nothing dramatic happening. And yeah, I'll see you guys probably when the car's back on the floor. What is up, you guys? We are back, and the green machine is finally back on the ground. Back on the ground. And I already pumped transmission fluid in it. The axles are all good, lug nuts are tight, everything like that. So I'm about to take it on this first trip I already let the car warm up, so it should be good. Hopefully everything works out. Hopefully there's no grinds or pop outs or anything like that. So I can't wait. I miss driving this car. And yeah, let's get this road test going. Alright guys, so the Green Machine test drive went well. I did a few little pulls on it, but nothing crazy, just easing into it because just want to make sure everything is good and okay and everything checked out fine. And I just want to put you guys down for a quick second and talk to you, and I just want to say thank you to anybody who watches my videos. I know they're not the best or the most entertaining, but I appreciate everybody who subscribes. And just to show you guys real quick, 158 subscribers, you know, and I really want to get to 200. So if you guys can, please share the channel, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. You know, it means a lot. You know, I started this channel just to show everybody how underrated these cars are, and it all started with me and my nephews and my brothers, because we all had front wheel drive SRs, and these cars do run in the family. And just want to show everybody how cool these cars are. And if you want to make power on the front wheel drive 4-cylinder, that you don't always have to go Honda or go some other way. You can also go Nissan, and these are very, very, very underrated. And just want to keep it going, keep the content going, you know, because I enjoy making these videos. And I know I'm not the fastest guy on YouTube, the fastest front wheel drive guy on YouTube either, because I know there's a lot of fast guys or guys who are a lot better builders than I am. Like Dreadful Garage, he's doing that B13 with a DE block on the VVO head. I know that's going to be absolutely sick. Sika Garage has a sick ass B13 with the VVL in it. I know a few other guys, G2G builds, really cool guys. They have really cool builds as well. Like all the other front-wheel drive Nissan YouTubers, really cool guys, and we support each other and just keep it going. You know, not just support me and support them as well. And you know, just trying to do everything. And you know, I really appreciate you guys can help me get to 200 subscribers. That would mean absolutely a lot to me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.